Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
Okay, if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad or you are an ex-OFW?
I am an ex-OFW, ma'am.
In which country?
Hong Kong, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysian people, ma'am, are kind and good, and Malaysia is a good place, ma'am.
Why you didn't choose to continue working in Hong Kong?
Ma'am, because my mother, I need to come home when I finish my contract, ma'am, because my mother need me, ma'am.
Okay. So why you didn't choose to go back again in Hong Kong?
I will try another country, ma'am.
Okay. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Aimee Untalan Camino. I'm 41 years old, single, no kids. I was born on July 14, 1983.
Okay. I need to know some few more details from you. What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2", ma'am, and my weight is 50 kg, ma'am.
What is your religion?
I'm Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I am an undergraduate of college, ma'am.
In what course?
A Bachelor of Science in Commerce, ma'am.
Okay. So, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me more about your family's details?
Uh, my mother is a plain housewife only, ma'am. She's 70 years old. My father is already passed away. We have we are four siblings, ma'am. I am the second.
Okay. So, being a domestic helper is not new for you already, as you have a working experience way back in Hong Kong, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience in Hong Kong way back 2016 to 2018 for 2 years and you finish your contract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment in Hong Kong?
My responsibilities, ma'am, are the two kids, taking care of children, cleaning the house, car washing, marketing, and cooking, ma'am.
Do you do laundry and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the children that you take care?
The eldest one, ma'am, is 12, and the second one is 8.
8 years old. Okay. So, Malaysia and Hong Kong is quite different. You no need to compare later once you come to work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But of course, we have here three races, which is Chinese, Indian, and Malay. Okay? You need to
Yes,
be
ma'am.
flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as I have mentioned, being a domestic helper is very tough and you already experienced it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
After 2018, do you have any working experience?
Yes, ma'am. I work in factory, ma'am.
How many years you work there? In which place in the Philippines?
The first one, ma'am, I worked 2 years in Bataan, ma'am.
Bataan. What year did you started working and what year did you finish working there?
2018 to 2021. As
So 2018 to 2021, you work in factory in Bataan, correct?
yes, ma'am.
After 2021, where did you work?
Uh, I transfer in Cavite, ma'am. Also factory worker, ma'am.
How many years you work there? Same
20,
same company, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after 2021 until?
2024, ma'am.
So you work in Cavite for 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Total, you work as a factory worker is 5 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of cuisine you can prepare?
Ma'am, in Hong Kong, ma'am, I cook steamed fish,
Okay.
stir fry vegetables, steamed meat, like that, ma'am.
Okay. So are you okay or are you willing to learn some new recipes? We have Malaysian foods here, Indian foods. Are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I can't, ma'am, but I am willing to learn, ma'am.
It's okay. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any dogs, cats, rabbits, or any kinds of pet?
No, ma'am.
No, so you are comfortable taking care of pets.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as I have mentioned, we have a 2 years contract and you are aware of it. You are fully aware of it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Breaching of contract or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? You are the one who
Yes,
decided to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you want a better future for yourself because you have a goals in your life also, right?
yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day. And on your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest away. You are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you're not allowed to go out on your rest day, okay?
Yes,
You will
ma'am.
going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800 ringgit for every month. But if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
We just wanted to make it specific and you understand our terms and conditions so that once you come to work here in Malaysia, we don't have any problem later. Don't give us problem, don't give us trouble. Because in the first place, you agree our terms and conditions, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines. As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. We don't force people to work and come here. You are the one who decided to come and work here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, normally how will you gonna fight or how do you fight your homesickness sometimes once it strikes you?
I'll keep my at work, ma'am.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves and there is no place for those weak people and for those stubborn people or rude people here, okay? This is not
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Philippines as I have mentioned many times. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be stubborn there. You can do anything. But in other countries, no such a thing because we are a foreigner here, okay? We need to follow
Yes,
the
ma'am.
rules and regulations. Always remind yourself why you come to work abroad, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything, any problem, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Respect the culture also of the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, fasten your seatbelt because as I have mentioned, this is Hong Kong and Malaysia is quite different. You need to fasten your seatbelt. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. I'm Mia. Amy or Amy?
Amy, ma'am.
It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.